Herman Flores, team manager of the Jensen Warriors, and of course, team manager of Is that how he broke a lot of Bedan hearts in the day?
Of course.
Pero ito, locating Coach Aldrin Morante, specialty of the house yan.
Some of the executives ba?
Yung iba, well, pick-up games, not so much. Pero I played with a lot of these. Kakapasok lang sa laro, mintis galing sa labas. 2-on-1, Kaiser Galvez leaning in, 2 points. Let's see here, 2-on-1 fast break. Done to perfection.
And really just able to finish, I guess.
Kuha ng tres galing sa labas. Kaiser Galvez is back into the game. Hang time move. Gregorio, one and done possession right there, but he gets the steal. Sweet spot for Boss Kaiser Galvez. Slowly took advantage of.
Oh, that good pass is over to Boss
Cruz.
Kaiser.
Kaiser Galvez with the basketball. Ito yung mga matchup na inaabangan natin. Gary David versus Action in our All-Star Day. Siyempre, ang ating All-Star game between the North and the South All-Stars. Coach Brito Navelona. Pero ngayon, nakakatuwa that they made time to come here to the Alonte Sports Arena
This season.
Jackie Gregorio saves it to Kaiser Galvez. Hang time, the score.
They had that shot of that nice pass by Jaggy. Pero yung Peke, talagang alam mong humihingi pa ng end one eh. Ganda ng...
One of two Quezon Huskers in the lineup for our South All-Stars. Luwak yan, could not hit. Sander Cruz forward, Kaiser Galvez, nanlaki yung mata.
Pwede. Eto nga, takbuhan na eh, no? Tsaka kung titingnan mo yung fast break, nung natapos yung first half, 8 pass tumakbo pero ayaw na ng binti ko. Yung pakiramdam ko, nakaka-4 na hakbang na ako pero nakakalahati pa lang ako.
As you can see, he's still very much in decent shape, no? Silang dalawang libos.
Dito sa Norte. Tumigil na yung scoring ni El Granada. Nag-slow down din sila.
Alam ko last year maganda rin ang linaro nito ni Kaiser Galvez eh. Kaya lang, siyempre, mas maganda ang linaro. Compile as much signatures as I can. Just to make sure I see the team owner of the Muntinlupa Cage over. Team 5, no look pass, Kaiser Galvez. Talagang last year pa lang maganda na yung kombinasyon nila eh.
Sa bagay.
Medyo marami rin ito na score si Boss Kaiser last year.